Steve here from Having a Crack. Who have I got here?
Yeah, it's Brett here.
This is your lovely car. Tell me what it is, because all I know it is a Ford.
It's a Ford, yes. It's a Model A. It's not a 28 and it's not a 31. It's actually a full custom blend between the two.
Yeah.
Every friggin' nut and bolt, every panel on it is hand built from scratch. It's all metal. The chassis is actually off of a land speed record vehicle that never got put into what it was designed for.
Yeah.
The original builder of it, he got it and then built a Model A around it, but blended between the two. So when it came to registration, it was difficult to register it as a 28 or a 31 because it wasn't either.
Either.
But those who are very into Model A's would pick the differences. Normally along here, the 28s, this went in a lot deeper.
Yep.
That step, and you had your petrol cap and that there.
Yeah, you did, yeah.
The 31s, that ran straight along. So when they were looking at registering it, they couldn't pick what is it, is it a 28 or a 31? So they said, all right, what we'll do, we'll look at the radiator.
Yeah.
So he came around to look at the radiator, to decide on that, and he goes, well, that's bloody the blend between the two as well.
Yeah.
So we gave up, and in the end we ended up, because the chassis number's got 28 on it, 1928, we went with 1928.
Tell me a bit about the theme, or the police stripes. Is it all along the side edges? Or
yeah, well, he was a bit of a bad boy. He got busted a few times for DUI, and so he went with the theme to build it actually as a promotional vehicle for the police.
Ah, good on him, yeah. So he bit the bullet and went the other way.
Yeah.
Yeah, great stuff.
So it was the last one that he built before he passed away, and never registered it because he had a bust up with his missiles.
But he got in the right hands obviously now, and you got it all.
Yes, yeah. So he passed away, and the family got me to finish it.
Yeah, cool, mate. That is great. Love that firewall, eh? It's like there's no dents or anything in it. It's nice.
No, well, that's
flat.
where they went. It's a Rover P76 motor in it, so most people.
Oh, the alloy.
Yes.
Is it a 4 litre?
Yes.
4 litre, yeah, I remember those in the old P70.
Yes.
Indestructible too, weren't they, back in the day?
Yeah, pretty much. And you don't have to chop into the firewall to get it to fit.
Yeah.
So.
And what about the box? What's the box behind it?
It's just a normal 3-speed Rover box.
Rover, and the diff?
Diff is a Ford XB, the brakes, all XB.
Yeah.
Around that era.
This is sweet, and I see we've got some pipes going upwards.
Yes.
What they call it, like
stacks.
a truck type stacks, that's it. The stacks, yeah, that's pretty cool, eh?
Yep.
Love the around the windows, all the chrome work, eh?
Yeah.
And he's fabricated that all up to all one piece too, eh?
Yeah.
Can I open the door,
Yeah,
or you open the door downwards? Yeah. I noticed the seats. I got a car with similar seats where you're basically sitting on the floor.
Yeah.
You find they're real comfortable, as in like on a long journey, really?
Well, it's only got 200 kilometres on it.
Oh, okay, so it's only
not
first
even
out.
run in.
Yeah, okay. So this is what's first show, basically?
Second, actually.
Second show, yeah.
Yeah, so it went to Stanthorpe.
Yep.
Last year, and this is the second time out.
So did you drive it today, or did you trail it?
No, we trailer it.
We trail it everywhere?
Yeah.
No, it's
mainly we've got accommodation and all that with the tow vehicle.
Yeah. Mate, this is beautiful, eh? I just love it. It's just, everything looks good on it, like that front grille, all the safety bits around those headlights and parkers and stuff. And what's the vent down the bottom there near the number plate? Is that just like another radiator vent?
That's for the transcooler sitting in there.
Yep.
So even that full thing on the front is all metal. Like people look at it and they go, it's fiberglass, but everything on
that's metal too.
Yes.
So
you look at the amount of work to actually
he made
build
that too.
Yes.
What a legend.
Incredible guy. He was actually a Australian Streetwalk Federation inspector, so
that's insane, eh?
This here, do you notice where that's from?
It does look familiar. It is gone off a roof, drain pipe or something.
So he was pissed one night, and in the pub he went for a piss, and that's
Yes, it's
the
one of the
urinal.
urinals. Yeah, I knew it was something.
So he went out, got a spanner, unbolted it, and fucking put it on the front of the car.
You reckon that's going to
no
fit?
one picks it.
So that's the horn, isn't it?
That's the horn.
Yeah, that's cool.
The urinal cover on top.
Oh, that's awesome, eh? Does it make a fart noise? Yeah, no, that's cool, mate. He's made his own tail lights by the looks of it, or just the bits and pieces around it.
Made all that.
And that's the fuel, obviously the fuel
Yeah.
right there.
Holy moly.
Little step too, so you're not scratching the paint and stuff. Handles as well. Little back window so you can see the flashing lights.
That's it.
Mate, well, it was a pleasure talking to you.
Likewise.
Thank you very much.
Cheers
And,
for coming.
yeah.